Say hello to Madeline, a senior majoring in art education and a member of Student Senate. Madeline came from a larger high school and has enjoyed the welcoming, friendly environment at VCSU. Her experience living and learning on campus has given her lifelong friendships and some amazing opportunities. Take it away, Madeline.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. Before coming to Valley City State University, I didn't know what path I wanted to take. I came from a larger school where I struggled to find my place and get involved. I chose VCSU because of the smaller class sizes and the chance for more one-on-one time with professors. Here, I feel like a person, not just another number. Life on campus is vibrant, and there's something for everyone. The Student Center is the heart of campus life. Grab a bite to eat or a cup of coffee, pick up gear or textbooks at the bookstore, or spend an afternoon in the game lounge with friends. Students can also stay active at the Gockler Family Wellness Center, complete with a pool, gym, track, and so much more. You can always find me and my friends in the upstairs art corner in the Center for the Arts building. VCSU has given me an opportunity to see a new side of myself. As a freshman, I was nervous to go to events, but with the help of upperclassmen and staff encouraging me, I'm doing things I didn't think I'd ever be able to do. That has led me to who I am today. I'm currently serving on our Student Senate executive team, as well as entering into my third year as a resident assistant. Because of this, I've met some of my closest friends. I learned to get comfortable with being uncomfortable, or else I would miss out on amazing opportunities. With the opportunities that VCSU has given me, I've gained the leadership skills that I need for my future classroom as an art teacher. I've been given the chance to thrive here. Although VCSU is small, there is a place for everyone. That's all I've got. Back to you, Alex.
Great stuff, Madeline. We love to hear how VCSU's welcoming campus has helped you grow as a person. VCSU was recently ranked the safest college campus in North Dakota. Staff and faculty at VCSU want the students to succeed, and it's obvious from the moment you step on this campus. Thanks again, Madeline.